India is celebrating the richness of art in our craftsmen by commemorating National Handloom Day. The century-old handloom sector of India got official recognition in 2015 when PM Modi decided to celebrate August 7th as the National Handloom Day as an ode to the Swadeshi movement of 1905. It was then that a call for Khadi by Mahatma Gandhi ushered a revolution of hand-spun and hand-woven fabrics. Now in New India, a new voice has been raised with the Vocal for Local initiative.
भारत में बनी चीज खरीदना, भारतीयों द्वारा बनाई चीज खरीदना, वोकल फॉर लोकल, ये हमें व्यवहार में लाना ही होगा.
And not just that, it has even strived to make it global. Let us now know about the vibrancy of Indian states and the commitment of our artisans who have taken the threads of Indian tradition and culture from local to global. Hello and welcome, I am Shreya and you're watching The Pamphlet. PM Modi, while addressing the nation on the occasion of the National Handloom Day, referred to the contribution of our indigenous craftsmen and the vibrancy of Indian handloom from Kanjivaram in south to Banarsi in north.
देश के दूर सुदूर क्षेत्रों में रहने वाले हमारे आदिवासी भाई बहन से लेकर बर्फ से ढके पहाड़ों तक विस्तार हुआ है वो लोग, तो दूसरी तरफ समुद्री तट से जिंदगी गुजारने वाले लोग, वहां से लेकर के मरुस्थल तक और भारत के मैदानों तक परिधानों का एक खूबसूरत इंद्रधनुष हमारे पास है.
Only in India, the sustainable fashion of Indian weavers have reached from vocal for local to global.
मैं कुछ दिनों पहले ही पेरिस में वहां एक बहुत बड़े फैशन ब्रांड की सीईओ से मिला था. उन्होंने भी मुझे बताया कि किस तरह विदेश में खादी और भारतीय हैंडलूम का आकर्षण बढ़ रहा है.
This is set to give a big push to the local handloom craftsmen who form the second largest sector for employment in India after agriculture. It was during the times of COVID that PM Modi urged the masses to recognize the importance of local manufacturing, local markets and local supply chains.
मैं इस खरीदारी के समय वोकल फॉर लोकल, ये वोकल फॉर लोकल का मंत्र भूलना नहीं है. हम मेहनत करें, मेरे देश के गरीबों के लिए कुछ करें, दिवाली मनाएं, उनके घर में भी दिवाली मनाएं, दिया जलाएं, गरीब के घर में भी दिया जलाएं, वोकल फॉर लोकल के मंत्र को और आगे बढ़ाएं. मुझे विश्वास है कि कोरोना के इस समय में आप सब भी पूरी सावधानी के साथ त्योहारों को मनाएंगे.
It was at this time of pandemic that taught India the importance of being local. One of the brand ambassadors of this Vocal for Local campaign is PM Modi himself. We all have seen him in different state attires, embracing the vibrance our states exhibit. Whether it's the traditional Maharashtrian attire, the Manipuri pagdi, traditional Naga attire or his favorite gamosa. Well, gamosa is a traditional scarf of Assamese culture, which PM Modi has worn on several occasions. While taking his first dose of COVID vaccine, attending the mass yoga session at UN headquarters lawns, during his Japan visit or while heading to the US, PM Modi has made sure to represent the rich and diverse cultural heritage of India to the world. PM Modi has not only embraced Indian art himself, but also gifted the same to the leading world dignitaries. He gifted a Pochampally silk ikat sari to the First Lady of France, and during his G20 summit to Indonesia, he took kinori and kulu shawls as gifts. The intricate work of our local weavers are now recognized worldwide. One such example of this is a group called Doctors in Saris. This group of 280 doctors in Dubai released a video depicting the timeless artistry of handloom saris and paid homage to the Indian artisans. Such global recognition becomes a part of our campaign, #MyHandloom, to promote which the Ministry of Textile has done a phenomenal job. It provides financial assistance for the registration of handloom products under the Geographical Indications of Goods Act of 1999. As of now, about 65 handloom products and 6 product logos have been registered. Every state depicts its own style, motive, and impression. You can see the diversity in different patterns of Kashmiri Pashmina shawl, Rajasthani Kota Doria, Gujarat Bandhani, Kanjivaram silk from Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh Chanderi, Chhattisgarh Kosa silk, Kalamkari from Andhra Pradesh, Assam's Muga silk, and many more. A diversified culture is weaved into a single thread only with the efforts of the path-breaking schemes and initiatives that have given recognition to Indian artisans. Handloom clusters have been launched. Modern technology like mega textile parks have become one-stop centers for spinning, weaving, processing, dyeing, printing, and garment manufacturing, all at one place. Ekta malls have been opened as a one-stop shop for India's traditional textiles and artisanal handicrafts. The handicraft industry has also been a boom for the Indian economy, with their integration with schemes like Make in India, One District, One Product, and Digital India. Our local artisans are becoming world-class entrepreneurs. PM Modi launched the Indian Textiles and Crafts Repository portal, which will act as an integrated center of knowledge for academia, students, designers, artisans, craft enthusiasts, and craft businesses. With such visionary policies and schemes, PM Modi has strived to work towards the promotion and recognition of our age-old craft and further integrate them with modern technology to take them to each and every corner of the world. PM Modi has given a respect to our artisans, which was long overdue to them. We today certainly stand in honor of these hard-working artisans. Thank you for watching. If you liked the content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Pamphlet.